So your assessment has started sharp at 2:30, and I'll be closing the link at 3:30.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of affiliation?
Affiliation is whatever organization you are from. So you have to fill your name and your organization, university, institute. If somebody is a scholar, then also university.
You have shared the link. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, I have shared the link. You have just joined.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pasting again. I've mailed it also.
Okay.
It's 20 question paper. I mean, assessment test here.
Yes. The link is there on mail
I don't
also.
see assessment happening here, ma'am. I'm not getting any access.
I've posted the link. I've posted the link. Have you joined just now? Just a second. Let me paste again.
Okay.
If you join late, no, I've started sharp at 2:30.
No, ma'am, I've been here. I've been here for quite some time. In fact,
I've pasted on chat and
I
on mail.
was not talking because I thought maybe they
No, no.
chat. Okay. On the chat.
Chat
Okay.
also, and I've mailed
Yeah,
also.
on this chat, I find it here. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
May I know about the affiliation? What is the affiliation?
Affiliation is the organization, right? So suppose you are affiliated with university, so you have to mention the name.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, the institute we work for or the university which the institute is affiliated to? Two different things for us.
Institute that you work for. And if not, then write NA.
I have joined just now. Please share the link.
Professor Ajit, I hope you are doing on your own.
Saima ma'am, I have submitted the test. Shall I switch off my camera?
Ma'am, once we are submitted, we have to stay back, or you can leave and come back.
You can take a break. We'll be starting at around 3:45. 3:45. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So in the meantime, please check your attendance and confirm in case of any.
And we can fill the feedback link also from the hotel portal,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Ma'am, if
On-
we have submitted, can we leave the meeting for a while?
Yes, you can. If you want, you can. But I think I've checked most of the candidate. I've updated the attendance, but please check because once I'll submit, then and in the meantime, you can fill the feedback link on the portal also. and internally also you must have filled.
We can switch off the camera, na ma'am?
Yeah, right. Yes, yes.
And what is the passing score, ma'am? How much you have to score?
It is, you have to score more than 60% to get a certificate, and it is all automated.
Yeah, we can view the scores also. Yeah.
And attendance is also a prerequisite. Therefore, I am saying it again and again that unless you will meet more than 80% criteria, you will not get the certificate.
So
And I
attendance,
can't,
where we can check the attendance?
on the portal, Dr. Shetty.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Professor Saima, the certificate will also come on the portal itself.
Yes, it will come on the portal. All the information we have already uploaded, like logo and all that, it will automatically be generated once you meet the attendance as well as the assessment.
So I have finished my test. The certificate will be there.
I don't know immediately. It won't be there. First, you have to complete all the things. Yeah, more than 60% is required. So once you will submit your exam, this will come. The score will come, so you will be able to see the score.
Ma'am, that means 30 marks will be required for getting the certificate.
Yeah. So your is 50 marks paper. Yes. Please don't put your marks here. It's good that you scored, but then yes, you are just meeting the criteria.
Sana madam, can you just check? I have submitted my test.
Okay, I'll check for you. Let everybody submit, then I'll.
Okay, fine.
So till now I have received 23 responses.
Mine is Dr. Rohit. I hope you're getting my name also.
Just a second.
Saima ma'am, I have messaged you on personal chat window. Can you please reply?
Okay. Who's this?
Ma'am, I'm Dr. Purvi Pujari.
Where have you put the message? I can't see it on
This
chat.
meeting only, I've sent it to you directly. Okay, what I'll do else, I'll send it again.
Ma'am, likewise, even I have messaged you. You can just check.
I've resent the message, ma'am.
Okay. Number 24. whatever you feel is appropriate, you have to choose one option. These are close-ended questions.
Saima ma'am, I have submitted. Please check. It is Kusumlata Datta.
Okay.
Submitted, ma'am. Anamika Rabal.
Ma'am, submitted Anjali Gupta.
And one more thing, that only those people who have attended regularly and who are approved registered participants will be able to download their certificate. Nisha Solanki, is she there? Nisha,
Saima ma'am, you will send the certificate on our mail.
no, you will automatically download that
From?
from the portal, from your own
ASCT
personal
portal.
portal. Yeah.
Okay, fine,
Atal
fine. Okay, Atal portal. Okay, thank you.
So
So
what
now
has-
we will rejoin the function at 3:45.
It will start at 3:45. In the meantime, complete the, since you have some time, half an hour, so you can complete everything.
Ma'am, what
Saima
else
ma'am,
has to
it's
be completed?
Ma'am,
We have completed the feedback.
embarrassing.
The
Hello?
attendance has been checked on portal and paper has been submitted.
But I'm seeing people are not writing their full name. I'm sorry to say that I won't be able to upload the mask. Like somebody is writing SIRA. I don't know who is this participant. So please write your full name in that. Then Kumar Sai Deepak, I don't know who is this participant. Right?
Saima ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, I'm done with my submission. Can I put my camera on
Yes.
closed mode?
Please keep yourself mute, Anamika Rawat.
Yeah. Can I leave the meeting because I'm done with my submission?
Yes, but do that, check your attendance, and please fill the feedback link on the portal as well as that shared by me.
I will do that, ma'am.
So I'm prepared.
Ma'am,
Yes.
today's attendance was recorded as absent. Kindly check it, ma'am. In
Who-
SFDP, it was marked as absent.
Who is this?
Kiran madam. PB Narendra Kiran.
For today?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Taken, done. Nisha.
Saima ma'am, do we have a separate?
Dr. Solanki. Yes. Rama, you have to correct your name, and Dr. Solanki, I think Nisha Solanki.
Yes, ma'am, it is Nisha Solanki.
Yeah. So, how many sessions you have attended? Have you checked your attendance?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Huh?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Saima ma'am, Aruna this side. Ma'am, do we have a separate feedback link in the portal also? Do we need to fill that?
There is something which only you can view. I don't know. So you have to explore your participant portal. Anything, so you just go back and check your entire profile, because there were some mistakes I told you in names also. So go back, check your personal information, because your certificate will be auto-generated. And once it is generated, then you will have a lot of trouble changing everything. So now, and there's some feedback link that you have to fill there also, which is some overall. I've not seen that link. It is only you can see that link.
Okay, and ma'am, attendance, I did not receive.
Attendance also on the portal. What's your name?
My name is Aruna Devroy.
Come again.
Aruna, A-R-U-N-A.
Aruna, yes, your attendance is there. Yes.
Okay,
So,
okay.
so Nisha, just check your attendance because I'm not sure that you have attended many. Just check. I'm not sure.
Madam, I am Srikanth Reddy. Kindly check my name in the test, madam. You are telling that somebody's name did not come properly, SRI something. My name is Srikanth, S-R-I-K-A-N-T-H. So might be.
Srikanth KV, yes, your name is correct. Your name is correct. It's Rama Singh names.
Ma'am.
Rama Singh, I think.
Ma'am,
Rama
ma'am.
Singh. It is showing Ram Singh.
Sorry,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Ram, hello.
Rama, you correct your name on the portal because when I downloaded it, it is showing error. I've been trying to connect with you for some time.
Ma'am, good morning.
All right, ma'am, all right. Got it, ma'am. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
I lost the connection, internet connection in the middle while doing assessment. How can I
Right.
get into? In the middle, I lost it and came back, exited.
So,
I'm off the way.
okay. So,
Ma'am, in my case, it might be showing Manisha Parashar, but I have registered myself with the name of Manisha Goswami.
it's done.
In my case, it is right now might be showing as Manisha Parashar.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
One by one, I can't address so many queries, and exam is also going on. Some people are still doing the exam.
Yeah, even I.
Dr. Ajay?
unable to attempt the assessment now.
Would request all of you to please use chat box, no, for queries.
Yeah, please don't disturb others.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Can you post the link once again, the feedback link?
Can you post the link, ma'am? We are probably
Feedback.
facing not feedback, assessment link.
Just check it out, my assessment is received or not.
Let everybody finish, then I'll.
Ma'am, this is Rajiv Ranjan. Actually, all the resource person name is not reflecting in the feedback form. Only 3 or 4 faculties name is being reflected.
Okay.
That is from the Atal platform that I am trying to fill.
Right. I'll do that.
Program learning work should be
Ma'am, I have submitted my test and I've also viewed my attendance on the portal. Do I need to fill the feedback again? I've already filled it before the session, the link which you had sent on the group.
This is Srikanth, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall we fill the feedback form now, ma'am?
Feedback, internal one you can fill, and there was some error that was coming in the portal one. So I'm just looking into that, and then you can fill.
Okay, ma'am. For day 5 alone, I'll fill it now, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, can we leave the meeting?
Yes, I've already told you.
Okay.
Join at 3:40.
Okay. Ma'am, is there's only one feedback link given in the group, or is there any other feedback link on the portal also?
Yes, portal also.
Um,
Fill it later, slightly later, because I'm looking into that link. All the instructors' name were not coming.
Okay.
ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Ma'am, what is the assessment score required for qualifying?
It is 60%.
More than 60%, yes.
So the answers are biased, ma'am.
Saima ma'am, we need to check the attendance in the portal, is it?
Yes, attendance and the overall feedback also will be filled for AICT users.
The feedback that we submitted, that will also be included there.
So this is for our usage,
Okay, your
AICT
usage. Okay.
portal also, you have to fill overall feedback.
Where is the overall feedback? That's also submitted on the portal.
Yeah, it is on your individual participant portal.
Okay, sure. We need to do that now, right now?
Yeah, you can fill that because I think once you will complete all the formalities, then only you would be able to get the certificate, and when I'll be uploading the marks.
Sure. Okay.
Ma'am, when can we get the certificate for download, ma'am?
You will get to know.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, in affiliation, what we are supposed to write in affiliation?
Your organization where you are affiliated.
Hello. Hello, Saima ma'am.
Please post your query. Please. Some people are yet to wind it up. Please wait for 2 more minutes.
Ma'am, actually my test has not been submitted. It's written it's already submitted, something like this. I have attempted all the questions, but it says it has already been submitted. I don't know why. And it shows 0. And I've done all the questions.
I don't know, maybe it is not saved or something.
No, it's saved. As soon as I click on submit, it shows it has already been submitted.
What's your name?
Shweta Goyal. And mail ID is shweta@dias.ac.in.
Yeah, we got it.
But here it shows 0.
You scored 33. It's showing 33. So maybe initially you have submitted something.
No. Okay, you got mine, na?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. चल पास तो हो गया ना यार ये you got 33.
Dr. Shweta, mute yourself. So time is up. I hope everybody has submitted. I'm closing the responses.
One minute, ma'am. Submitted.
Ma'am, I have submitted. Before closing, is there anybody not submitted? Is there any possibility to check that, ma'am?
I'll just announce all the names. Just wait for some time. In the meantime, you fill the link.
Yes, ma'am. That's what.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the link on the portal. I have filled the feedback link which you had sent on the group, but in the portal, I'm not able to see any link for feedback.
Wait for some time.
Saima ma'am, can you please put it in the chat box?
No, there is no link for feedback portal. You need to go to the feedback option itself on the portal. There is no link as such.
Feedback, where we have to go, sir?
Archana ma'am, you need to go to the feedback portal itself. I mean, there's one option called portal itself in the Atal FTP login.
But sir, it is not. Okay.
Oh, I just filled it now. You get it. Just find it on the left.
Ma'am, can you just put the link in the chat box?
Give me a moment. I've already pasted it. No? Which link you are asking? I can't get because all the links I've already pasted.
No, ma'am, the one you asked to fill feedback link on the portal.
Portal one, you have to log in to your respective portal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have logged into my respective portal, but there I don't see anything like a feedback to be given. It's only the
Nas,
profile.
please check the chat box. I have shared the link for you.
Okay.
In the portal web link, after you log in, you have the options in the in your left side corner. You can just go through that and you can see the feedback form there, option there.
I don't see any option of feedback, ma'am.
You have profile, applied workshops. Under that, you can see certificate, test, attendance, and all those things. There you have feedback option.
Okay, so all the 13 faculty members will be visible to you.
Yes, ma'am, all are visible, ma'am. I just completed even that feedback link now.
Instructor wise, because we can't view that. We can't view that link. It's only participants who can view that link because ours is coordinator portal. It is
okay, ma'am. Okay. Everyone's name was there, ma'am, and we have completed it. I completed it.
Okay, thank you so much. So maybe we can meet and keep yourself logged in because otherwise you may face difficulty. So we will start the session at 3:45 and let me tell you that for attendance and marks, it's all automated. If you are meeting that criteria, only then your certificate will be issued, and we can't do much about that, right? So that is why I'm saying that be very careful, and let me just take out the names of people who have submitted, because I can see 114 people submitting. I don't know who is Kumar Deepak and Shipra Pathak has submitted, and I don't know who is Sari from Roorkee College. Anybody from Roorkee College here? Jobin Jacob has submitted. Nisha Solanki has submitted. Shweta Sharma has submitted. Devyani Farzana, Dr. Niyat Shetty, Dr. Anamika, Rajiv Ranjan, Sir, Dr. Purvi, Dr. Neha, Professor Siva Prasad, Professor Shrikant, Damanpreet Kaur ma'am, Narendra Kiran sir, Fatima, Rohit Singh sir, Himanshi, Anjali, Kusum Lata, Dr. Anil Kumar, Dr. Satya Sugandha Sharma, Nam, Dr. Vibhor, Dr. Uday, Professor Kirtika, Dr. Krati, Dr. Advaita, Dr. Chandpreet, Dr. Sita, and Anurag, and I don't know who is this person, Aslam Hussain. He was not even attending. So please don't pass the link to anybody else because it will obviously not be evaluated. Anybody can't get a certificate. It is all automated. Dr. Aruna, Dr. Rajidi, Dr. Shweta, Dr. Namrata, Dr. Gunjan, Dr. Anchana, Dr. Khushbu, Dr. Anupam, Mrs. Preeti, Dr. Narmada, and I don't know who is this Arman, Dr. Pratik, Dr. Ananta Sahu again is not registered, Dr. Lingam, then Dr. Rama, Dr. Nandan, Dr. Riddhi, Dr. Tushar Arya, Dr. Nayan, Dr. Saloni, Dr. Seema, Dr. Nagendra, Dr. Sushil, Dr. Jyotsna, Dr. Pratibha, Dr. Vanita, and Dr. Ansi, Dr. Narayan Rao.
Simon ma'am.
Yeah, I am not very sure that I have to check. Dr. Narayan Rao. I don't see this name in the attendance sheet.
Simon ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually my 2 questions was unclicked, unfortunately. It got
That, sir, all the questions were not mandatory, right? So, if somebody would not like to attempt anything, then we have kept it. All of them are not mandatory, right? And there's no negative marking in this. So I can't do anything about that. So,
Ma'am, but just by 1 mark, the result was below 60. It was 29, and due to that unmarked a mark I couldn't get.
we will take it offline, sir. Let me come all those. So Dr. Tedlapu Narayan Rao, I'm not very sure. So please write the same name by which you have registered, right? Otherwise, I will have difficulty in uploading the marks. Hannah?
Madam, are you listening my voice, madam? So my name is Sujay Shekhar, but my name has not been told from your end.
I have updated. You actually, your name was, it is showing Rituparna, no?
Yeah.
So I have updated that, but you told me, no?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have also submitted. I can see my marks, but you didn't call my name.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, even I have updated.
Let me complete. Neha Yadav, Arpit Khurana, Dr. Surachala, Dr. Mohana Lakshmika, Dr. Jaikar, Dr. Kirti Kumar, Dr. P. Archana, Dr. Naz, Dr. Rajeshwari, Dr. Shalini, Dr. Damor Sanjay, Dr. Pooja Chabra, Dr. Hiba Zaidi, Dr. Manish Chava, Dr. Ipsita, Professor Prabhat Kumar, Professor Seema Menon, Professor Madan Sekar, Professor Ravi Singh, Litan Prasad, Dr. Gayatri, Dr. Renu Rathi, Professor Omkar, Sujay Shekhar, so Dr. Uttam, Dr. Ajit, Dr. Jeswina Vivian, Dr. Kavita, Dr. Neeraj, Dr. Manjunath, Dr. Manas, Dr. Sridevi, Dr. Sharad Babu, Professor Stani, Dr. Pariyar, Dr. Subbaraju, GV Subbaraju. Now again, this name is not there in the list. Mohammad Nizamuddin, Dr. Nilima, Professor Chetan, Dr. Veeti, Dr. Prasan Shahu, Dr. Gayatri. Dr. Gayatri, you have submitted 2 responses. I don't know how it got possible. So I'll be considering the first one.
Hello, madam.
Professor Manoj, just a second, let me complete. Professor Manoj, Professor Neeraj, Professor Robert, Professor Venkateshwarlu. Now, I don't think
I am
Professor
Dr. G.V. Subbaraju.
Venkateshwarlu, you have attended any
I
sessions?
am Dr. G.V. Subbaraju, attended all sessions.
Dr. Manisha, Miss Heetal, P.V. Venkat Srinath, Swati Wadhwa, and Muskan Singh. So these are all the responses. Now
mine is not there.
What's your name?
Shweta Goyal. I just asked you.
Shweta Goyal, I have announced your name. Dr. Shweta, you have filled by Dr. Shweta, you have not written your full name.
It's not Dr. Shweta, it's Shweta Goyal.
So what I'll tell you that there is only one is Shweta, it is showing as Shweta Sharma.
I've written the full name.
Spelling?
SHWETAGOEL.
S-H.
Hello.
Shweta. S-H. Just a second. So it is showing Shweta Sharma.
No, Shweta Goyal I filled. That's why I was telling you.
That means your form has not been submitted.
Ma'am, it has been submitted from my side, but there is something error in that. I've done all the questions and submitted.
So are you able to receive the marks? No.
No, wahi problem tha. That's why I've told you.
Ma'am, myself Gayatri, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
But you have to sort it out, otherwise you will not get the certificate. No? Either you appear again. So either you appear again.
I can.
Otherwise it will not be possible. No? Your name has not come.
So do I need to appear again?
Yeah, if there's some connectivity issue, then you have to attempt it again because as of now the link is closed.
So can you open the link again or what?
Just a second. Anybody else whose name is not there?
Hello, madam. Madam.
Can you check for Dr. Advita?
Madam. Hello.
One by one. Please raise your hand. Yeah.
Ma'am, myself Gayatri, ma'am.
Yeah, guys. You have submitted your assessment twice. Why?
Yes, ma'am. Due to network issue, I got it twice, ma'am. I thought it was not submitted, but again I have attended.
So I will consider the first response.
Ma'am, kindly consider the second one, ma'am, because due to network issue, it was got submitted.
Hello,
Okay,
madam.
I'll check that. Yes.
Hello, madam.
Yeah,
Hello.
Professor Venkata Subbaraju.
Yeah. Guttumukala Venkat Subbaraju. I have submitted. I participated all sessions.
Yes, but you have not filled your full name there. So
Yeah.
the name
But,
that you have filled there is
the
not
response sheet, the response sheet just I mentioned GV Subbaraju. Actually, my name Guttumukala Venkat Subbaraju.
so that is what I told you now. It is written full name. It creates a lot of problem. Let me save it now. Now that because I'll get confused when I'll update the marks.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
And then-
GV Subbaraju.
So by what name you have saved your name?
Guttumukala Venkat Subbaraju.
Online है भरा है।
डाउनलोड करके ऑनलाइन में नहीं करेगा फिर आपको ये करना पड़ेगा अपलोड करना पड़ेगा ये फाइल
Yeah. Ji. So what is just tell me your name, then by which name should I use?
Okay, madam. GV Subbaraju. Guttumukala Venkat Subbaraju.
इसमें हमको फीडबैक
Tell that please. Wait, please.
नहीं आ रहा एक्सेल सीट पे लाया हुआ है सर गूगल ड्राइव पे एक्सेल सीट पे लाया हुआ है
Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, are you sending it again then?
गूगल ड्राइव डायरेक्ट गूगल ड्राइव से
Subbaraju, I have updated and it is.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah, it is taking that. Also, I'll be updating the marks in the evening in case if there is any issue. I may write a mail or I may put it on the WhatsApp in case if I'm unable to find the name of the participants. Right? Yes, Dr. Advaita, you want to add?
Saima ma'am. Are you
Just-
sending the link again then?
Link I have to see, Dr. Shweta, why have you not been able to submit?
Ma'am, it's Miss Shweta Goyal.
I think you submitted at 2:38.
2:38 nahi, it's 3:27. 3:27 I have submitted.
Let me check. Because that time. So, did the message come for submission? No, I don't think so. Yours
That's
is.
why I have called you again. Na? 3:27 I was submitting.
Have you been able to submit? You got the message that your assessment is submitted. You got the marks? No.
No.
So then you have not attempted, ma'am.
I have done all the questions, but it has not been submitted or due to some technical glitch, I think.
I don't think there would be any technical glitch, but still use the same link. And I'm just opening for you because there's some more. There's
तो
some
वो अब वो सबमिट हो जाएगा फिर से?
Not submitted. मैं बता रही हूँ ना बार-बार submit नहीं हुआ है. Okay, so you have to submit again because once you have submitted, then you can't submit again. There is an option which will stop you to submit again.
Okay.
If it is not submitted, you can submit. So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the valedictory session. Now, we all have gone through this 5-day rigorous faculty development program on advanced and innovative approaches in management education. And you all have appeared in your assessment. And in all 5 days, we have seen sessions starting from your curriculum development to student engagement, to different types of teaching pedagogies, industry engagement, and some very, very innovative approaches like flipped classroom and many more to come, right? So what is your observation? What is your suggestion? What are your suggestions to improve the entire process of faculty development program? Or do you need more time for each of these sessions, and how each of these sessions can be made better? So this is what we intend to hear from you today. So we will start our experience sharing session. Request all of you, if possible, if you can switch on your videos and share with us that how was your experience in this 5-day FDP, and where we have gone right and where we have gone wrong, and what can be done to improve it in a better way. So you can raise your hand and then speak. Yeah, Dr. Sharath.
There is a hand raising option.
First, I appreciate the efforts put by IILM to organize this FDP. So I'm very much thankful to all the resource persons and the organizers who have made it a wonderful journey for 5 days. Okay, it was very thought-provoking, and we have found many insights into the session. And we are very much grateful to you all, and hope that these type of sessions can be continued next coming days. And you can also plan for these sessions for students also, ma'am, not only for faculty community. It's better to organize few FDPs, some student development programs, which may better help the students who are going to be the future resources of our country. So that's my opinion, and hope all the best for your university and your students and everyone, all the participants. I'm thankful to everyone for making this event a wonderful event.
Thank you, Dr. Sharath. Yeah. Dr. Ajit, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. It was a very nice session. Again, I think you did a wonderful job filling the gap between the speakers. So a lot of credit should go to you. And also, I think the first day was a little dry, but a second, third, and today everything was really good. So I would like to be a part of more such sessions with your university.
Yeah, so first it was curriculum development.
Yeah, I think the afternoon session was a little dry for me. So
okay, which one?
That is the Bloom's taxonomy and the POCO mapping.
Okay, but let me tell you that from accreditation point of view,
yes,
it's important. But yes, no, we feel a lot of even
we do it in our institute as well. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Everybody may not be finding it that interesting, but yes, we'll definitely find ways to make it more interesting for all of us.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I've submitted. Now you got it?
Just let me check. Yes, yes. Finally, I've received.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Dr. Manjunath.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, I'm not able to see the hand raised, so I just raised my hands here. So, first of all, thanks a lot for the opportunity extended to all of us. It was a great learning session. I mean, most of us had not even taken up simulation training, I mean, as a hands-on experience. So I guess that was new to all of us, and we learned something thoroughly through that. And I personally liked Sona ma'am's and Abha ma'am's session a lot. They were very insightful and value-adding for that matter. And the best part is the coordination amongst your team at IILM was very, spot on. And the way you guys coordinated around for the entire show was really nice. And we got to know the talent pool that's available in IILM in terms of all you faculty who've taken a lot of work in order to do these things for that matter. So I guess, that things were definitely in place and there was a great learning experience throughout. So thanks to you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Dr. Nayan, you want to add something?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, much gratitude always to the IILM fraternity and Saima ma'am, especially to you for organizing such a meaningful, insightful, and learning FDPs. I have attended more than 50 FDPs till now in last 2 to 3 years, but this one was the superb among all because you have made engaged all the time to the participants, especially the game we played. That was mind-blowing and super, and definitely it is going to be implemented in our lecture theater too, and it is one of the really realistic kind of faculty development program which is required nowadays to not only fill the gap from the theoretical as well as the practical dimension, but you made this session lots of interest, energy, and full of excitement. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, and thank you that flight simulation. Yes, we put in a lot of efforts in inviting Professor Kedot because of the time difference and all we wanted, but he also agreed, and then finally he stayed throughout. So we are very, very thankful to him to be there for the entire day. It was actually night for them.
Yes.
So it was great.
Thank you.
Yeah, Dr. Seema.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the entire team for putting such a, like the first time I am having a real experience. And even though I'm not from a management faculty, but I enjoyed each and every experience, especially the sessions of Abha ma'am, then Sona ma'am, Vidishi ma'am, etc. And then one special mention for that Sudhi sir's input, and the breakout room, which was a real good experience, and then interaction with most of the participants was possible because of the breakout room arrangement and the polling, and everything. It was really a refreshing experience for me, and looking forward for such future. Thank you.
Yourself on mute. There's some background noise that we can hear. Yeah, go ahead. Dr. Seema, you were talking.
Yeah, actually, I was saying that the sessions of Sona ma'am, Vidishi ma'am, then Abha ma'am, all very nice, and then especially that Sudhi sir's input from the industry was very enriching one. And I actually was having a question related to this loss of jobs. Then what will happen to the demand? So anyway, I missed out that question. Anyway, in future, if we have time, then we can ask that question. Anyway, looking forward to such interactions in future also. Thank you, ma'am. And your session was also wonderful because even though I knew that in management schools case studies or discussions are there, but I then never knew that the case studies were prepared by you people. I was thinking that it is taken out from the field and then you will be discussing. So it was a all new experience for me, how the studies are prepared and then how to write all those things and the teaching notes, etc. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you. Although I was thinking one session was not enough for that. You need an entire day on case method alone.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Dr. Muskan, you would like to ask?
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening to everyone. Ma'am, this journey of 5 days was really very wonderful, and it was full of learning for me. So first, I would like to thank you and your team, everyone, because this was the day, so of 5 days, but you would have taken about more than 50 days to organize this, even more than that, and more the efforts what you all have shown, and it was full of knowledge for me and wisdom. And I was really very happy to see so much of dedication, coordination you all have to your profession, your job, so lovingly, though it was online, but the way you all were communicating, helping, always guiding with mail and online only, it was has a personal touch also. So in online, how we can give personal touch to this type of communication and learning stage, that was one of the wonderful I think learn. And talking about the sessions, each session was so much enlightening for me, so packed with knowledge, so concise, so to the point, not deviating here, there. All were trying to give something very important and valuable to us. So I have learned a lot from this session. So all credit goes to you and your team. So thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. I think somebody is asking for assessment link, but it is closed now. I think Professor Ratnam is there. Sir, it is closed now. I don't know. Who is next? Anybody else? Dr. Shweta, you would like to add something?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Being a beginner in this particular field, I've also attended so many FDPs, but generally what methodology they have followed the lecture method. But this FDP is really mind-blowing. This is something which can be called as an actual real FDP, where the faculties have, it is actually a development program for faculty, especially that simulation session which you have done for all of us. It was like a work with fun. And in the breakout rooms also, we have some good relationships with other colleagues also, and we are working together. It was really a wonderful experience for me. And I think this type of FDP should happen in future also from this ILM. And kudos to your efforts and your team and the case study which you have developed. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. So we can be, due to time paucity, we can take maybe one more. Dr. Shiva Prasad.
Good evening, ma'am. Yeah. Again, I think we would be repeating the same sentiment that most people have expressed here. Was indeed a great experience for us to learn as faculties. And definitely you were a textbook case of how well things can be organized. I think definitely that is something that we take in addition to the other inputs that we have received from you this time. And even yesterday's session, which was well handled by your guest faculties and Dr. Bindu Agarwal also, was quite nicely done. Right? That was a really great experience.
Thank you.
Very well organized. I mean, that's something, everything was on the dot. There was nothing that we could say could have been done better. That's definitely something that I want to comment.
Thank you.
Thank you once again for the great experience. Maybe next time when there is any FDP from your organization, we'll look forward to it.
Thank you so much, sir. And you all have been great audience, and you all participated so well, because as I was discussing in the case study session also, it's two-way. So the participants, if they are going to contribute, then it will make the session successful. So thank you all. Our Vice Chancellor, Honorable Dr. Sujata Shahi has joined. So I would like to invite ma'am for the valedictory address. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Simon. And good evening, participants. एक बार फिर से आप सबों का IILM में हार्दिक अभिनंदन. I hope I was listening few comments, and I am very happy that Dr. Saima has organized very well, and you all have learned a lot. This one was the objective of the FDP program. I just start with a very old saying. I think you all are aware about Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Salutations to the Guru, who is Brahma, the creator, the Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. I bow before the Guru, who is the personification of the Trinity. I think you all are here sitting as a Guru to someone, and we are proud that we have interacted with n number of talent and learned people during this faculty development program. What I feel faculty members are the lifeblood of any educational institutes. We all are directly responsible for delivering the top of the line knowledge and training which our institute or your institute promises its students. You are the best minds in your respective fields and impart quality teaching to the students to make them responsible citizen of the country. You know, I am personally never thought that we are going to prepare a manager or a job seeker. What we feel, we can create a responsible citizen of the country who can contribute in the development of society as well as development of the nation. But with technology and learning experiences evolving each year, it is unreasonable to expect from faculty community to keep abreast of all the latest trends and teaching strategies without the proper preparation. In order to empower faculties to provide the best education for students, we need to invest in the best training for faculties. It is time to reskill and upskill ourselves. In today's new normal, you can see this may be the most obvious benefit to faculties to move from traditional method to a new one. I am witness. When I studied long back, my guru was teaching through their own like lectures, laminated in the form of lamination. Then we moved from that laminated form to class delivery, PPTs. Now we have flipped classroom. We are challenging the thinking of our students. So time has gone for the traditional mode of teaching. Even you can see during this pandemic, now government regulatories are also coming up with suggestions to integrate some MOOC courses, go for distance education, go for online learning, because this pandemic has taught us to move from traditional way. So distance learning options have been on the rise for the past few years, but that shift has been vastly accelerated due to pandemic restrictions in place. Institutions have been forced to embrace new technologies and learning modalities in order to continue delivering quality education, for delivering quality education to the students. Today we have, I think you all have completed 5 days, and today is the culmination of this 5-day faculty development program on advanced and innovative approaches in management education. Advanced, I can understand, like due to technological advancement or whatever global changes are taking place, we can understand the word advanced. Innovative, this is in our hand. This is in your hand to develop certain tools, certain pedagogical tools to engage students. The end objective is to engage our learners. That is very important. And I hope you can devise like certain other pedagogical tools also, which we can learn from you. I think there have been interesting and thought-provoking deliberation, which I was listening time to time. When I was getting time, I joined that FDP program on a varied range of innovative approaches to curriculum development, student engagement. Personally, I believe a lot as a teacher in student engagement. And I don't rely on curriculum only. Always, I suggested our faculty members also go for co-curricular and extracurricular. Co-curricular is a supplement to classroom teaching. 4 walls, like is a completely confined teaching, way of teaching. So co-curricular and extracurricular both provide a good learning opportunity to our students. Nowadays, you can Google the information. We have gamification. One step ahead to simulation. Another, we have gamification, then flip classroom, role plays, in number of devices, tools, pedagogical tools we can develop to engage our students. You also got the opportunity to hear from senior academicians and experts. Dr. Maitri is director of IIM Nagpur. Before that, he was in Trichy. He is one of the very, very powerful person to discuss on examination, pedagogical tools. I think you all have listened to him during the inaugural session. Sudhir Dasmant Rao, director, I think I heard few people were mentioning that the skill, futuristic skills. And what I said during the inaugural session, we are not aware, you are not aware right now what kind of jobs are coming after 2 years. We don't know, but we have to be ready to equip our students with certain skill sets. And few are common, like team building. It was there, it is here, and it will be. So you can train your students to work in team. Critical thinking, out of the box thinking, design thinking. These are certain things which we can always incorporate in our curriculum. You can go for World Economic Forum's, I think 3 years back, decided 10 top skills for future managers. We can integrate in our curriculum. So Sudhir, Mr. Sudhir has discussed about digital skills for marketing graduates, a number of skills which we can think and which we can train our students. I heard about simulation. Professor Cadot, it's like he developed that simulation, and that simulation actually give us the actual practices of one organization, how to invest money, how to recruit people from starting scratch to the outcome where we can go for product development, product outcome, revenue generation, everything. So without taking much of time, I hope that you had a wonderful learning odyssey and would effectively implement some of these learnings in your courses and organizations. At the end, I can say, cultivating a culture of continual learning will benefit all aspects of education system. And you all are here, top minds, good minds. We can help the current education system to improve in a better way. Once again, thank you for joining IILM, and all the best for your future endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your insightful words, and we look forward for such more sessions in future, and you have been a motivating factor for all these sessions. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all participants for joining, and I would like to thank AICT Teaching and Learning Academy for giving us an opportunity to conduct an FDP for participants across India. It was a very diverse group and wonderful group. Thank you. Thank you all for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.